At least 5 police personnel were injured as an anti-encroachment drive near a mosque in Delhi's Ramlila Maidan turned violent early Wednesday. The clashes broke out when about 300 officials and workers of MCD were carrying out a demolition drive at a land adjoining the Sayyid Faiz Ilahi Mosque and graveyard at Turkman Gate following the orders from the Delhi High Court. However, during the demolition drive, some residents threw stones at the officials, forcing the police to use tear gas to control the situation. Some residents then threw stones at the police teams.
25-30 लोग जितना भी है उन्होंने लोग पुलिस के ऊपर पत्थरबाजी करने की कोशिश की, पत्थरबाजी की। उसमें हमारा 5 पुलिस कर्मियों को माइनर इंजरीज हुआ है, उनको वो सब ठीक है। उनकी जो मेडिकल पेपर्स मिलने के बाद हम लोग कार्रवाई करेंगे।
टीयर गैस का इस्तेमाल किया गया
करना पड़ा।
अच्छा सर, एक और बात पूछना चाहूँगा कि यहाँ पर कितने परिसर में कार्रवाई की गई है, कितना डेमोलिशन हुआ है?
ये जो लैंड है जो फैजी लाई की विसिनिटी में है, यहाँ पे एक बैंकेट हॉल थे और एक क्लिनिक थे,
जी जी,
एक डिस्पेंसरी थे, वो दोनों टूटे।
कार्रवाई किस टाइम ये शुरू की गई थी और अभी तक चल रही है?
रात को हमने शुरू की थी
जी।
अभी एक जेसीबी भी अभी भी काम कर रहे हैं। जैसे एमसीडी बताएंगे कि काम पूरा हो गया, उसके बाद हम फोर्स के डिप्लॉयमेंट का भी बारे में डिसाइड करेंगे।
The police said they are identifying the accused using over 100 videos in which the mob can be seen throwing stones. A case will also be registered on the basis of the statements of the injured policemen and the MCD workers. The officials had brought in about 30 bulldozers and 50 dump trucks to remove the unauthorized structures in the area. The MCD's action was taken after November 2025 order of the Delhi High Court granted 3 months to the civic body and the PWD to clear 38,940 square feet of encroachments at the Ramlila ground near Turkman Gate. In December, the MCD declared that all structures beyond 0.195 acres of land are liable to be demolished and that no documentary evidence has been produced to establish ownership or lawful possession of the land by the managing committee of the mosque or the Delhi Waqf board. And the 0.195 acre land houses the mosque. The encroachments included portions of a road, a footpath, a barat ghar, a parking area and a private diagnostic center. MCD officials then visited the site to mark the encroached area on January 4th, but faced protests from locals prompting increased police deployment. The Delhi High Court on Tuesday sought the responses of the Ministry of Urban Development, MCD and Delhi Waqf Board on a plea challenging an order issued by authorities to remove alleged encroachments. Seeking the cancellation of the MCD order, the mosque managing committee said the property in question is being used by it and it is paying lease rent to the Waqf Board.